Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add legal pages to Clickfunnels. This is important for making your funnel compliant and building trust with your audience by including pages like privacy policy, terms, and disclaimer. On your Clickfunnels dashboard, to add legal pages, all we need to do is click on Funnels in the upper left. Here you will see the list of your funnels. Now, choose the funnel where you want to add the legal pages. In this example, we will use the Moneymaker funnel. Let's add the legal pages. Legal pages cover the policies and data protection rules needed to run an online business. They are there to protect both the business owner and the customers, making sure marketing is ethical and data is handled properly. Once we are inside the funnel, simply scroll down to the section where we want to add the legal page. Click the plus sign and then click on New Page. We can also use a template. To do this, type legal in the search bar. We will then see the available legal page templates. From here, pick the legal page we need. Simply click on the chosen page. If we want to create a new page for our legal information, we can do that here too. The descriptions shown here include rules and policies, just like in this example. Type in the description for the page. Once we are done, click Create Page. And there it is. The legal page is now added to the funnel. That is how we add legal pages to Clickfunnels. With this simple setup, we can make our funnel more professional and compliant.